Welcome back to my channel, my peeps. Today I'll be making some cow foot soup, Jamaican style. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and thank you for watching. So this is my cow foot, well washed, well clean, and well ready. So now I am going to add some blended season right in my cow foot. Now remember, not because it's soup, that doesn't mean you must not season your cow feet. Season up your cow foot, my people. Make it taste nice, make it taste delicious. Don't afraid to put season in your cow foot. Okay, you want that taste, you want that flavor. Season it like you're gonna curry it or you're gonna stew it down. Season it up nice and properly. And I'm gonna tell you all my recipes in the comment down below. Okay, everything is going to be in the description box right there. So put all them season, put in everything, make him taste nice, finger licking good. And these are my spices. Me I throw some jerk season right now. Me gonna go in with some Maggi spice and some black pepper and all jerk season, everything, all the good works, you name it. So stay tuned, my people. Put some salt in, I think, to taste it up. And then we're gonna show you the real way how we do it. But we're gonna rub him up now, and we're gonna put him overnight in our slow cooker. If you have your pressure cooker, you can put him in a pressure cooker for faster cooking. But I want him for my Sunday dinner, so I'm gonna put him overnight. One thing I love with the slow cooker is that you can put it in and sleep while it's cooking. Nothing wrong with it, guys. So I rub him up like this, and I go put him up in the fridge, put him in the morning, in the night, pan pot, and get him ready. Stay tuned. Good morning, everyone. Here we have our cow foot that was left from overnight. So this is how I'm starting off my pot with some spice in it, and then I'm gonna put all of my goodness, all of this in my soup. Okay, stay tuned, my people. And now my flour well kneaded and well ready. So here we're going in now, people, with all this chocho, carrot and pumpkin, all of this into the pot right now. Okay, here we go. Yes, look at that, guys. Flavor and everything, and all the goodness and all the works. All of this in the pot right now until we're ready to show you the end results. Soon come back again. How our pot is looking after I put the cow foot in. As you can see, this is only the cow feet with the vegetables. Now I'm going to put the yams and the dumplings and everything into the pot. Close this down and let them boil up again. Boil and cook. Alright, guys? And spicy the pot with some lovely goodness. Look at that. Look. Size of my dumpling for my soup. No bigger than this. I love when my dumplings are very, very small. And I'm going to make some like this. And okay, some nice spinach and some neat dumpling like this. Dumpling must look neat and nice in your soup pot. Alright? See the pot right here. Look on that. It smells nice. You see, guys? Don't forget, stay tuned and watch this. Okay? Alright. Tune into this again, guys. Look at that. Pot nicey. Pot nicey. Pot nice and pretty. Tastes good. Look good. Everything good. Yes, my people. This is it. Look at that. Look at that, no man. Yes. Cow foot soup. All this goodness. All this goodness. One big pot. Big family. One big pot. Pure eaters. See it? One big pot. See my dumpling? Some like when my dumpling them a little bit in my soup. Yes. See it? Cow foot smell good. And now, guys, all of me season them. See them here? Now see it here, people. these are the spices that I will be adding into my pot right now. And with these, I am using about 5 pack of the pumpkin and cock soup here. Yes, my people. Pure niceness, pure goodness. Look on that. Look at that. My. My. See it now, my people. Wait, the camera zoom in there. See it now, my people. Season him up, no man. Season him up. Make him taste good and look good there. Yeah. Simmer down. You must simmer down. Simmer down time. See it? 1 heap per season. Lock him down and now and make everything boil and come to perfection. Okay? Everything will come to perfection and taste up nice and delicious, my people. Yeah, man, this a pure Jamaican. Cow foot lovers? Yes. Small dumpling? Yes, little bit. See them here? And make simmer down nice and sweet. Watch how the pot a bubble, guys. This pure Jamaican goodness. Yes, cow foot soup. Yes, man. Close him up now. Cow foot soup in the Sunday morning. See it here? It finished now, you know, people. It's time to plate and eat. Now, please, my people, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of my good recipes. For more of me all of my goodness, more light. More of all of the goodness. This is cow foot soup, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, this is from my kitchen, straight on your table.